This is Honor X6, and today I will demonstrate that you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So first step we will need to take is to download and install the free Turbo VPN application. Then once the app is ready, just launch it. In here, tap the green continue button. Then we will need to skip the ad that follows. Here it is. And finally, in order to connect this device to VPN, you gotta simply tap at the caret icon over here. Then confirm or accept the connection request. Wait for the VPN connection to be established. And for some reason the VPN connection failed. That might occur from time to time. It's a normal thing to have, so let's retry the connection and see whether we will be any luckier this time. Seems like we will not, which is completely normal. There is a very easy fix to this kind of issue. So basically, it might happen to the fact that the app automatically tries to connect you to the malfunctioning server. So what you want to do is to open the servers list and manually connect yourself to not the first location that it has over here, but to some alternative country. So let's say I'll go with this option, and as you can see, the VPN connection gets established right away. Now, while connected to VPN, you can change the server, or well, even the country that you are connected to. And finally, in order to disconnect yourself from VPN, simply tap at this cross icon over there and choose the disconnect option. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.